A shadow in Lower Merion, the Gaudio home invasion. December 8th. A date etched in tragedy for a family in Lower Merion, Pennsylvania, a suburb just outside Philadelphia. What began as a quiet night devolved into a nightmare of violence and irreversible loss. Andrew Gaudio, 25 years old, was fatally shot. His mother, Bernadette Gaudio, 61, suffered devastating injuries, leaving her paralyzed. Their home became the scene of a brutal home invasion, a violation that shattered their lives. Give a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Kelvin Roberts, 42 years old, and Charles Fulforth, 41 years old, have been identified as the suspects in this horrific crime. They now face a litany of charges that could keep them imprisoned for the remainder of their lives. These charges include first-degree murder, a crime that carries the weight of premeditation and malice. They are also charged with robbery, burglary, and related offenses, reflecting the scope of their alleged actions. The initial motive appears to have been the theft of firearms, but the execution of this plan went tragically wrong, fueled by misinformation and a cruel twist of fate. The Gaudio home was not the intended target. Roberts and Fulforth allegedly targeted the wrong house, acting on a tip that led them to Lower Merion instead of Bucks County. A similar address number sealed their fatal error. Both suspects were employed by the junk luggers, a junk removal business. This detail adds a chilling layer to the case, suggesting the crime was conceived and planned within the context of their work. The tip that led them to the wrong house reportedly originated from someone within the junk removal business. This insider information, however flawed, set the stage for the tragedy that unfolded. The invasion occurred at approximately 2:20 a.m. when the Gaudios were most vulnerable. The darkness of night concealed the perpetrators, but not their actions. Evidence gathered by investigators includes witness descriptions provided by Bernadette Gaudio. Surveillance footage captured crucial moments, and information from a confidential source helped piece together the events. Cell phone data placed both suspects near the Gaudio home at the time of the invasion, further solidifying the case against them. In the wake of this tragedy, the community rallied to support Bernadette Gaudio. A GoFundMe campaign was organized to help her navigate the immense challenges ahead. The campaign has raised over $265,000, the testament to the community's compassion and desire to alleviate her suffering. But no amount of money can truly compensate for the loss she has endured. Bernadette Gaudio has already experienced profound loss in her life. 15 years prior, she lost her husband. Now she faces the unimaginable grief of losing her son and the life-altering reality of paralysis. Both Kelvin Roberts and Charles Fulforth are currently in jail. They await trial, where they will face the full force of the legal system. The pursuit of justice for Andrew Gaudio and Bernadette Gaudio continues.